Hey everybody, it's Neil, and my camera mic wasn't working, so I am just going to discuss this. And this is going to be a drill bit set. Very cool set. It is there, and you can see it's wood drill bits, which are different than the metal ones. If you haven't used wood ones, you'll know that they have the little pointy tip at the end, so you can get them started nice and easy. And this one has several different sizes. I think it goes from 1/8 inch to a half. And you can see it comes with two of the 1/8 inch ones, and some of the other ones, the little sticker on it that tells you the sizes kind of was coming off. But I do like the way it's kind of in that plastic thing, so I'm probably just going to end up gluing it back on again to make it work. But you get the idea. It's by MACXCOIP, I guess is what it is, or something like that. And I am just looking at them here. And if you look at the drill bits, they are the ones that automatically lock into the drill, so it makes it really nice and easy. You don't have to do all that whole business working with the chuck and all that stuff. You just kind of clip them into most of the drill bits, into most of the drills that support that. I think like an impact drill or something like that will have that type of actually the impact ones usually have the square ones, but it'll fit inside the little drills. I have a DeWalt and Ryobi's that both fit into there nice and easy. And this is how they are. They were super sharp when I was touching them on the sides. I was poking myself, and I really like them though. So definitely pick up some of these. You can see here is just nice and good size. They got good weight to them, and I said thumbs up.